The Congress on Friday asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi why he is not adopting India's first approach in vaccinating its citizens and questions why 6 crore vaccine doses were exported out of the country when Indians were not getting them. The deadly escalation between Israel and the Palestinians has embarrassed Gulf states which forget ties with the Jewish state and put a strain on their Abraham Accords that were billed as a game changer. Soon after she took charge as chairman, BCCL Indu Jain expressed her desire to meet with all the women journalists in the Delhi office. There we were crowding around her in a large room on the 4th floor of Time House, wondering what this was all about. The government has projected the possible availability of 200 crore doses of COVID vaccines during August-December and said it should be possible to vaccinate India's entire adult population by year-end. Cyclone Taukte, which lay as a deep depression over the Arabian Sea close to Lakshadweep on Friday night, was likely to intensify into a very severe cyclonic storm with wind speed of 150 to 160 km per hour, gusting to 175 km per hour by Sunday morning, bringing heavy to very heavy rain to many parts of the western coast, the IMD said. In the wake of the center's decision to extend dosage interval of Covishield, the state's immunization in charge Dr. Dilip Patil said a meeting has been called with all district officials on Saturday to gauge their stock positions. The Biden administration has announced that Indian-American Neera Tanden, who had withdrawn her nomination to lead the Office of Management and Budget amid bipartisan criticism, will now join the White House as a senior advisor to President Joe Biden. The BMC Standing Committee on Friday cleared the plan for constructing a new foot-over bridge in place of the Himalaya FOB, which collapsed in March 2019. An interagency team of officials has briefed US lawmakers on America's COVID-19 assistance to India would then urge the Biden administration to make the military available to bring additional urgent medical supply donations to the country. Shan has had a long association with the composer duo of Nadeem Shravan. Together they have delivered hits like चैन आपको मिला, मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत है and many others. In an exclusive interview with E! Times, Shan poured his heart out as he reminisced about working with the ace composer duo.